Hi, my name is Ramesh and welcome to Easy Classes. You are here because you are getting startup repair loop error. Yes, startup repair couldn't repair your PC. That error is showing on your Windows 10 device. So don't panic, here the solution. We can use command prompt to fix this issue. Okay, let's begin how we can fix this. Go to the advanced options and go to the troubleshoot again and click on advanced options. Now open command prompt here and it will ask you to choose your account. Select the account and if you have provided any password, put the password here and click continue. Now we have opened command prompt. Okay, let's type few commands here. Type C and colon and press enter. Now we have selected C drive and type dir and press enter. Okay, if you have not found any file like this, you can type D and select D and type colon and press enter. Now we have selected D and type dir and press enter. Okay, there is few directories has listed. Next type cd space /windows /system 32 and config. Now press enter. Now type md in capital and space backup in small cases. After that press enter. Okay, then type copy space ** space backup and press enter. Let the files have to be copied. After the files copied, next type cd space regback, then press enter. Now type dir and press enter. Friends, you can see here two directories are here listed, and here you can find a lengthy numbers, around 10 or 11 numbers are here. So if you found any numbers like this, then move to the second step. If you not found any numbers here, just skip here, or if you found numbers like this, then move to the second step. Now type copy space ** space dot. Now press enter. Okay, now type A and press enter to overwrite all. Okay, finally type exit command to exit the command prompt. Finally, you have to select continue to continue with Windows 10 boot. That's it, friends. This is how we can fix the startup repair couldn't repair your PC problem. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. We'll meet you in the next exciting video like this. Till then, bye bye.